Hey guys, so I am back with another video. This is gonna be a really short one. Obviously you can tell the title, but it is my first Gucci purchase and I'm so excited, you guys. You don't understand, I've literally wanted a designer item because I do slowly want to get designer items, and not even for the hype or anything, but like I love this item. My sister has a couple of Louis purses and she has like her whole little collection and I think it's really cool. So let's get into it. So this is the bag. I'm sure you guys have all seen a Gucci bag. It's just white and then black. The top they have like a little bow and then the handles. So this is the box. And honestly you guys, the box I was shook with because it is so cute. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm totally fine with this. And it's a really good box, obviously. So I'm gonna be saving this forever. It did have a black ribbon tied around it, nice and pretty. But you know me, I couldn't really wait to put them on. So I already opened these. But I wanted to show you guys what it comes with and everything. The receipt just comes in like a little black case like this. And you open the box. And it smells really good, you guys. Open it up and we have two of the little dust bags for each shoe. They're just like a tan color and then they have the Gucci logo. There's 1 and 2 for each sandal. Here we have sandals. I literally wanted these for the longest time, and when I finally decided to get them, I was so happy, and now I have them. And not gonna be weird or anything, but like I told you, like the rubber smells so good. These are the slides that I got. They are the Gucci Blooms, and they just have like the canvas, and then they have the bloom, like the flowers, the floral detailing on them, and they're so pretty. I love them so much, you guys. I've worn them like so much already. If this wants to focus ever. Well, it's focused. Guys, I pulled out the freaking hand. I pulled out circa, what, 2012 makeup guru hand. Wow. Also, it's St. Patrick's Day as I'm filming this, so happy St. Patty's Day. This is not focusing, but it has the Gucci like imprinted, and it still didn't focus. So anyways, back to the video. On the rubber part on each side of the shoe. Anyone who's thinking about buying these, I don't know how much longer they're gonna have these, but if you like them, I would definitely go get them. I wear slides all the time. I wear them when I come home. I take off my shoes and I put on my slides. Just running out to go to the store, slides. So I see them just being worn a lot. I first wore them when I first tried them on. I feel like I don't have a super skinny foot, but when I first put them on, they were a little bit snug. Like my foot slid in and out perfectly, but they were snug. They weren't loose. If you could see like in the front right here, it's not too big of an opening. Now wearing them, even like the 3 times that I've worn them, they already feel formed to my foot. They have red leather ones that those he said do stretch, so I might get those one day. I really like those too, and I was picking between those and these, and I'll put a picture here somewhere, but I was picking between the two, and honestly I was like, you know, I came in for these. Spring is around the corner, and I just like the flower, like everything on them is just so cute. So that's why I went with these. That is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to make a quick little video and do a little review. If you're planning on purchasing any slides from Gucci, I recommend these ones before they're gone. I also want to say that there are other slides, like other designer brands have slides. Another brand that has really cute slides, I'm sure you've seen them all before, is Givenchy, and they have the all black with the white writing, and it just says along the top, so it's all black, and then it just says Givenchy, and those I really wanted. And even like at first trying those on, so comfortable. Like right when you try them on, they are so comfortable. So definitely I might purchase those next, but I mean, we'll see when that happens, slowly. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy that I'm slowly starting to make more videos. So I will talk to you guys in my next one. Be sure to check out my Instagram and give me a little follow if you want to. It is linked down below. And yeah, so I will see you guys later.